In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clickable phone number link in a Microsoft Word document. This is a handy feature if you're looking to make contacting you as effortless as possible in digital documents. It can be particularly useful for business documents, resumes, or any material where you want to encourage people to reach out to you directly via phone. To begin, the first step is to open your Microsoft Word file. This is where you'll be creating your clickable phone number. Ensure that your document is ready for editing and that you have access to all the necessary menus and tools. If you haven't already prepared the text you want to use, now's a good time to enter that information. Next, you'll want to locate the phone number within your document that you wish to be clickable. Highlight this phone number carefully. This step is crucial because the highlighted text is what will be transformed into an actionable link. Make sure that the entire phone number is selected to avoid any errors or issues with functionality. After you've highlighted your phone number, navigate to the Insert tab on the ribbon. This ribbon is located at the top of your Word interface and contains a variety of options for enriching your document. Look for the Link option within this tab. When you find it, click on it. This action will open up a new window that allows you to create a hyperlink. In the window that appears, you'll see a section labeled Existing File or Web Page. This is where you'll input the custom link format for making your phone number clickable. In the address bar provided, type TEL followed by your phone number. It's critical to ensure that there are no spaces or errors in this entry, as it could affect the link's performance. Once you're certain the information is correct, click OK to confirm. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully created a clickable phone number link in your Microsoft Word document. This link will now allow anyone viewing the document on a compatible device, such as a smartphone or a computer with calling software, to click the number and initiate a call directly. This small addition can make a big difference in how easily people can reach you. Taking the time to learn these little tips and tricks can really enhance your document's interactivity, making sure it's both professional and user-friendly. If you have any additional questions or need further clarification on creating hyperlinks in Word, feel free to reach out or check out more of my videos for additional guidance. Thank you for watching and happy linking.